Good morning, students. I welcome you all to our YouTube channel, Academia Ambala. So, today we do our fifth chapter, that is Children and Women in Sports. So, our first topic is motor development in children. What is motor development? Motor development is the development of movement. The ability to move is essential to human body. Motor development refers to the development of child's bone, muscles, and ability to move around and manipulate his or her environment. Many motor skills are necessary for everyday life activities like sitting, walking, running, climbing stairs, picking up objects, etc. Basic motor skills can further be divided into two parts, that is, gross motor development and second is fine motor development. What is gross motor development? Gross motor skills are large movements of the body, including sitting, walking, running, and climbing stairs. Gross motor skills needs combination, coordination, and balance. Second is fine motor development. Fine motor skills are the small movements of fingers and hands. They include picking up objects, using cups, knives, dressing, holding and using pencils, scissors, and keyboard. These are fine motor developments. Motor movement in children. Gross motor skills are the skills we use to move our whole body, arms, and legs. They include running, jumping, walking, and balance. The development of these skills begins when the child is in the womb and continues throughout the life. Gross motor skills generally develop in an order and build up upon each other. As a result, if a stage of development is missed or delayed, the higher level of skill will also be delayed or maybe never developed at all. Motor development only happens when the child is biologically and mentally ready for it. Motor development progresses for gross motor skills to fine motor skills. There are three stages of motor development in children. First is infanthood motor development, that is 0 to 2 years. Development of basic movement patterns is there. Early childhood 2 to 6 years, refinement of movement pattern is there. Later childhood 6 to 12 years, performance of movement virtually automatic. These are the three stages of motor development in children. So now we discuss in brief all the three stages of motor development. First is infanthood. During this initial stage of motor learning, the aim is to develop an overall understanding of the skill. The child picking up the things, stepping, voluntary walking. At the age of 2 months, the infant starts lifting arms. They start rolling from side to back at the same age. At the age of around 6 to 7 months, the infant starts sitting and crawling. Then the infant starts pulling to stand at the age of 8 months. Infants start standing and walking at the age of about 11 months. Although the sequence of motor development is uniform in infants, but difference may exist individually in the rate at which the motor skill develops. The second stage is early childhood. During this stage, the learner begins to demonstrate a refined movement. It is the period of 2 to 6 years of most rapid development of motor skills. The motor skill development in this period are basic locomotion, ball handling, and fine eye-hand coordination. By the age of 3 years, walking is automatic in children. By 4 years, the child has almost achieved an adult style of walking. By the age of 4 to 5 years, the child has more control over running and can start, stop, and turn. At an age of 5, they become more adventurous. In this stage, improvements are more gradual and movements become more consistent. The duration of this stage is longer than cognitive stage. In this phase, children learn self-care skills like dressing, undressing independently. They also develop writing, communication with expression, drawing and coloring, etc. Next stage is later childhood. In this stage, running becomes faster depending on the length of stride and tempo. Jumping, the ability to jump higher will become greater due to body size, weight, age and strength. Throwing, boys begin to throw further with a better technique and accuracy. Balancing and coordination, this increases as the child becomes older and control its perfection over balance. In this stage, balance and coordination are more in children. So thank you student. This is all for today. Have a good day.